If text in Google Chrome looks too small or too large, there's a super quick way to fix it using the zoom control. In this video, I'll show you how to make text larger or smaller in Chrome in just a few clicks, so you can read websites more comfortably and get everything set to the size you want. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three vertical dots button. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. Once the menu appears, look for the line labeled Zoom. This is where Chrome gives you quick control over how large or small the page appears. To make the text and page elements bigger, click the plus button on the zoom line. Each time you click it, Chrome increases the zoom level, making text easier to read and content larger on the screen. If things look too big and you want to shrink them back down, click the minus button. That lowers the zoom level so more of the page fits on screen. Or if you want to adjust the page for better visibility without changing anything else on your computer, you can use this on almost any website inside Chrome, whether you're reading an article, watching content, or working online. So to recap, open the three-dot menu, find Zoom, use plus to make it larger, minus to make it smaller. It's simple, fast, and one of the easiest Chrome shortcuts to know. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick how-to videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.